Hello kids, do you know how we describe things? Let's find out with adjectives. This is a cat, but what kind of cat is this? A big cat, a small cat, a cute cat. Yes, you're right, a big cat. Here, big is the adjective of the word cat. Adjective or words that tell us more about a person, place, animal, or thing. Adjectives is also called as describing words. See this picture? What is this? Apple. What color is this? Red. A red apple. Red is the adjective here. And the next one. See this? This is also apple. But what color is this? Green. A green apple. Green is the adjective of the word apple. Now see this? What is this? Dog. A happy dog. Next one. A sad dog. In these two pictures, you can see the emotions of the dogs. So happy and sad are adjectives. Next one. A big balloon and a small balloon. In these two pictures, you can see the sizes like big and small. So big and small are adjectives here. Types of adjectives like colors red, blue, green, yellow, pink. Sizes like big, small, tall, short. Feelings like happy, sad, angry. Shapes round, square, long. These are all types of adjectives. Now we'll do some fun activity. I'm going to show you some pictures. They are going to tell me the adjective of that. So first picture, what is this? An elephant. So adjective of this is big. Big elephant. Here big is the adjective. Next one, what is this? This is mouse. What size is this? Small. A small mouse. Next one, girl. A happy girl. Happy is the emotion, which is the adjective. Next one, a sad boy. Sad is the adjective. Next, see this ball. What color is this? Green. Green ball. Green is the adjective. Last one, this is a box. So, what shape is this? Square. Square box. So, square is the adjective of this word. So, children, adjectives are describing words. They make our sentences or words more interesting. I hope you all understand this. Thank you for watching this video, children. Bye.